Yo, what is up, guys? Dropping some content. It's been a minute since we dropped a video. I just want to show you guys a before of the truck that the customer just dropped. Customer had a vision of doing a two-phase wrap in matte red driver's side, satin black on the other side. So it's a Dodge Ram 1500 single cab. What can I say? It's a big truck. Let's get to work. Let me show you guys the outside of the truck, just so you guys can get an idea what it looks like. Right now it's like a gloss black, but let's go outside and take a look at it. Now that you guys see in the truck, there's no wrap right now, so let's head back inside the shop, take it apart, and start wrapping this baby. Once again, guys, thanks for watching all of our videos. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Ding. Anyways, yo guys, we're back. Dodge Ram is fully finished. Driving it. Took some videos, took some pictures. Now it's time to show you guys the final outcome. Let's hop out the car, show you guys.